Now we're trying to find the basic spot with this information. There's 6 basic spots. 3 we use all the time. 3 we rarely. Okay. Succeeding spot. That's the spot which is if the foul never occurred. Right? We never had the foul wherever the ball was, and that's where we're going to mark the penalty. Previous spot. That's where we snap the drum and start the play. And into the run. Okay? We're going to go wherever the run ends, and that's the end of the run. 3 less common on PSK is typically the end of the kick, the goal line, and then the 20-yard line. Talk about. We don't use those very much, but they are 3 basic spots. Any questions in Studio One? All right, so let's match up our basic spots for our play. All dead ball fouls are administered from the succeeding spot. So if you have a dead ball foul, you're just step it on wherever that ball is. False start is a dead ball foul, right? So the succeeding spot is right there. The foul never occurred. Step it on there. We have a late hit out of bounds.